show you what love's supposed to feel like. I can show you what love's supposed to be. I can show you what love's supposed to feel like.
Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with YGWigs. It's the same packaging as usual, and as I open the box I see the drawstring bag with the wig. I then see this goodie bag. This has a number of stuff in there. The first thing I'm seeing is a rat tail comb, an edge brush and comb, a pair of wig caps, a printed elastic band, and 2 section clips. Okay, and that's all that came as goodies. Now this is today's wig. I absolutely was just pleased once I took it out of the bag. Like, this is a beautiful 13x6 HD mocha brown highlighted wavy wig. Well, it's a body wave really, as you can see. So yeah, they regard this as a good glueless wig as well. You can go ahead and wear it glueless. It's 13x6 as you can see there, and the lace is nicely pre-bleached and pre-plucked and pre-tinted. They also added a label to it. I was just showing you guys overall construction. It's beautifully pre-plucked, as I mentioned before. Look at that, really nice realistic graduation, and you see how scalp like that looks. Like, it's a nice wig that will, you know, melt down really nicely based on the lace. As I said, it's a HD lace, so I'm happy about that HD Swiss lace. So I'm really happy about that with this wig. So, you know, that's good for melting down because these laces are thinner and easier to work with. They're really not a lot of hassle, and they definitely blend down and look so much like they're growing from your roots. Okay, so I'm using Got To Be for my installation today, and my dry on clear as usual, nothing new. And I just take my time, work this in, and it dries down rather easily. Like, this install was super quick for me today. Like, you could tell from the duration of the video, but yeah, it was a super quick install. It's so easy. I just took my time and really just focused on laying that down really nicely, and then I went in with my elastic band to further melt it down as usual, and then I proceeded to cutting away the excess lace. Now, for any area that I cut away the excess lace and, you know, it appeared a little casty for me, I would go back over that with a little bit of Got To Be, and you'll see that further down in the video.
I can show you what love's supposed to feel like. I can show you what love's supposed to be. I can show you what love's supposed to feel like. I can show you, yeah, I can show you, yeah.
Once I'm done with that, I take back my elastic band, and this is just always the greatest way to further melt your lace down and helping it to not look like as casty and stuff if you're seeing any cast or anything. But overall, it's great for melting your wig down. I was very excited. You saw me coming up to the camera smiling. So I went through the top portion of the wig with my hot comb, and you know, I love a good flat top wig. I don't want my wig to be looking bulky, and you know, yeah. So it came with these beautiful pre-body waves. I didn't even have to go over them. Like, you see how nicely it's laying and everything. Like, look at that. That's pretty much it for the install. Like, look at that. ready to wear wig straight out of the box. It's gorgeous. This color is beautiful. As I said, it's a mocha brown. It's like an ombre vibe. It's very full. There's some shedding, yes, so be mindful of that. And this is the hairline. It looks very natural, very realistic. I did no baby hairs, no swoops. I hope you guys can appreciate this, video / install today. Let me know what you guys think. Also, if you're interested in getting this wig for yourself, all the specifications will be listed in my description box as well as the link. That's it for today's wig video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.